The side latch rod kit has 2 rods with hardware that attach horizontally onto the outside of your kennel door, adding another level of security for your companion. Insert the rods into the molded loopholes on the door as shown. Next, you'll align and mark your drill bit placement. And repeat on the other side. Using a 7/32 bit, drill through the center of the kennel door. Next, remove the door and drill both marked locations for the rods using a 7/32 bit. Now, install the eye bolt with the included hardware. 1 washer on the front of the kennel door and 2 washers and the acorn nut on the inside of the door. Using a pliers or socket, tighten the bolt. You now have an extra layer of security for your companion with the ability of adding a lock through each rod loop hole and the eye bolt.